Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, it's time for Ice Cream Beauty. January 2023 box has arrived. I finally got to the post office. Monday was a holiday, federal holiday. No chance to pick up the mail on Monday. So here, ooh, I'm dropping stuff. I dropped my cheat sheet. This is what it looks like before I spill stuff. Here's the inside. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys because there's a big old palette in there. What did happen, you guys? Oh, here it is. Okay. I got my little cheat sheet. Sorry, y'all. Little public service interruption there. Okay, so January is You Are the Art is the theme of the box. First box of 2023. All right, we're going to save the palette to the last because those are always fun. Oh, gosh, there's more than one. We'll save those goodies towards the end, okay? Because, you know, it's the best thing about this, you guys. I really enjoy this box. And they do have a bag. All that information will be down below. But, y'all, I've heard people go, well, they don't provide, like, the super duper expensive high-end stuff the other brands like Ipsy and Boxy do. You know what? Ipsy and Boxy have disappointed me on many months. I can't really say that, like, I've had a super duper awful month at all about Ice Cream Beauty. Sometimes I don't use all the products. I don't keep all the products, but it's not like I don't enjoy it. It's not like I look at it and go, oh. And I have done that with other boxes. So I'm keeping this subscription. All right, let's get into it. I see all sorts of goodies, you guys. All sorts of goodies. So where to start? All right, first one in here. This is Melon Dollar Lips. Ooh, y'all, as you can tell, I love things that are sort of orangey tone, neutral toned on my lips. So this is a plumping gloss, and I have it backwards. So it's going to be hard to read. Melon Dollar Lips Plumping Gloss by The Beauty Crop. $11 on this, and I have a tickle. Okay, so new year, new lips. This lip plumping gloss is absolutely gorgeous, has a beautiful shine, is very hydrating, smells amazing, has a watermelon seed oil. Okay, so for those of you who have watermelon issues, this would be a problem for you. Provides a moisturizing effect for lips and peppermint oil for the plumping. Slight tingling is normal for plumping products. All right, well, y'all know I have become obsessed with lip products. I'm going to open it. Clearly, I already have something on my lip, so we will, and the shade is Bubblegum. We will at least swatch it on the hand. Okay, it had a safety seal. I got that cut. Bubblegum is, now this is scented, what I'm wearing, so hopefully I can smell over that. Ooh, it's gooey. Ooh. Oh, it does smell good. It smells a little bit minty and a whole lot of melony. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so there's the Dofa applicator. That's a nice one. And, ooh, yeah, I like that. It definitely smells watermelony, and it definitely has that hint of mint. So you're definitely getting both in that. I'm keeping that. All right, next product. Again, that was $11. Next product. It's from Mirabella, and this is Mirabella Eye. Okay, where is it? This is their Champagne Eye Crayon. It is $20, and yes, champagne is what it says on it. Here's the box. Shape and shade eyes with high intensity, long-wearing pigment. Smooth formula glides on effortlessly and blends out perfectly. Waterproof and safe for the waterline use. It's great to use to highlight right under the brows and can be used to highlight the nose as well. Ooh, okay. So it's a highlighting crayon. Let's get into the box, take a look at this. I think as a gloss, that one that we just looked at, it's probably going to stay gooey on my hand. I'm afraid I'm going to end up wiping it on stuff. Oh, this is pretty. Here's what it looks like. Cute. Oh, okay. So the crayon started coming out. Okay. I'm afraid it's going to like fall out. The crayon definitely came detached. I'm a little concerned about whether that's going to stay put or come out. It's definitely broke off in there, which is not a huge deal. I'm going to smudge it. Ooh, and I'm pushing it back in, so that's probably good. All right, I squished the top, but we're going to go ahead and, ooh, that's pretty. Oh, it is soft. Oh, I like this a lot. Ooh. A little bit goes a long way. Hopefully you'll see the reflection on this. It is just a very kind of neutrally nude highlighter, but it's right under that knuckle. And I'm going to try to get it to catch the light on my ring light. And I'm sorry, guys. I hope you can catch that. I really do. It's pretty. Very, very much kind of a champagne color. Not really silver, not really gold, not really bronze, definitely champagne. So that's nice. That'll be very easy to use on an inner eye corner. I like that. Now the next item, and I say item with my little quote marks, is because there are 3 items. I'm just going to read it first. These are going to be liquid eyeliners by ZeeSea Cosmetics. $33 value, so $11 per. So there's 3 of them. It says this set of eyeliners was chosen to complement the colors in the palette. Ooh, we haven't got to those palettes yet. The golds will complement the warmer shades. The purple will, of course, complement the purple shades, and the black is perfect for any combination of colors. Purple and gold shades are shimmers, and the black shade is matte. All right, I've gotten back into using my black liquid eyeliners, and I've been trying to do more winged looks because, y'all, I'd gotten sick of it, and then I got back into it. So here we go. These are pretty. Okay, so this one... Let's see, I guess that's how it's going to look. So that's the first one, and I'm just going to take these out. This is the black one. We'll take one at a time out and swatch them all. I'm just going to yank it out of the box. So this is what it looks like. And we'll spin it around. All right, let's swatch that. So... not as opaque as I would like. There, right there, pretty obvious to see. It is a felt tip. So what I, of course, want to know is it going to run? And it didn't look like it ran, but is it going to smudge? So we'll come back to that. This next one is the gold color, and you guys, it's really pretty. Obviously sparkly. Let's get into that one and get that one swatched. Yank it out of its box. I mean, honestly, the packaging, you guys, is beautiful. Look at that. Super, like, shimmery, glittery gold. I mean, that's pretty. So it says a Artist Diamond Shiny Liquid Liner. Oh, gosh. Okay, so that's really pretty. There it is. It is also that really pretty and easy to use. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Again, not as opaque as you would want. So I think you'd really have to build. I really built this. There again is what it looks like. It almost is like, it's almost a paintbrush, not a felt tip per se. It feels more like a brush with hairs, but it's pretty. It's just not, you almost want a little more payoff to that. But I think you can build it if you're careful. So, I don't know if it would show up on me, honestly, you guys, but it's really pretty. I mean, the sparkle is gorgeous. Okay, that's pretty. I'm excited about the purple. Here's the purple. I love me some purple. I'm excited about that. And it's purple with sparkles. Yes, please. All right, we're just ripping the boxes. Honestly, the packaging, you guys, is so pretty. I mean, all the little glitters and sparkles. I like that. I hope this is going to be really pretty. All right, so here we go. This is the tip. This is what it looks like. It's the applicator. Again, not as opaque as you want, but it built right up. So really, really happy how quickly that built. Not maybe as sparkly as the gold, but there's definitely some glitter in there, some shimmer. I don't know if it's glitter or shimmer or what, but that definitely will look really pretty. I like that a lot. So these 3 total as the trio are $33 together. So they're $11 each. This is what we got. Again, I really like this box, you guys. Okay, so we're doing really great. The last 2 items are palettes. Now this box, you're always guaranteed at least 1 palette. And look at that. We've gotten 2 palettes to go because there are 2 in here. I'm just going to let that dry down, guys. The lip gloss is definitely a little gooey. I'm just afraid I'm going to end up getting that all over myself. So I'm wiping it off with the box. Yes, I am. Okay, so which do we want to do first? This is from the Beauty Crop. This is their Mediterranean Spring Travel Tea Palette. It's a face palette. Ooh, cool. Let's see what they have to say on this. $15. It's a universal face palette, perfect to bronze up your face, add color to the cheeks, and help get your glow on. Palette is complimentary on all skin tones. $15. So it's bronzer, highlighter, and blush. We certainly have gotten a lot of this type of palette in a lot of different subscriptions. So honestly, I'm not sure I'll swatch this, you guys, because we have literally gotten a bunch of these. It's going to depend on what it looks like. All right. Oh, I think there's 8 shades. That surprises me. Okay, so here's the front, and it's quite reflective. So it looks like there are 8 shades. Capri, Santorini, Sicily Sunset, Malta, Menorca, Granada, Ibiza, and Sardinia Sand. So there are the little descriptions on the back. I think this is going to have a mirror in it. Don't want to make a mess. It does. I will cover that with a box. Oh, it's pretty. It's very pretty, you guys. It's pretty. I mean, it's pretty. It is really pretty. I'm not sure I'll keep it, you guys, because I definitely don't need these products right now, and I'm afraid it'll just sit around. So I think what I will do... Oh, and the mirror kind of looks dirty. I don't know if that's because it sat outside all day and it's just steaming. Oh no, it's just got powder. The mirror's got powder, the powders on it from the various shades. So this will go into the giveaway pile and a future giveaway for you guys. That's a nice item. It's $15. I think that's very reasonably priced for an MSRP. 8 shades of like blushes and bronzers and highlighters. I think that's really nice. Very affordable. I think that's a really nice price. So the last one is this palette. It is all shrink sealed. This is MB. Okay, so it's right at the top. This is the Rococo palette by Musée Beauté. $45 is the MSRP. It says, meet the Rococo palette. 16 blendable pigmented shades inspired by Joie de Vivre. Oh, you guys, I can't speak. Honestly, I can't really speak anything but a little bit of German and some Spanish and English. So, Joie de Vivre, including 10 creamy matte shades, 6 reflective wearable shimmer shades. Pastel shades may not swatch the best, but apply beautifully with brushes or pat it on with your fingertips. It is meant to be buildable and blendable. The 8 shades are warm tones and the bottom 8 are pastels. So the top 8 are warm. Okay, well, you guys, now remember, when shades come right out of the palettes and are like super bright, if you're used to buying like artistry palettes, like things that are meant to be like insane, you're going to be disappointed by this right away. But that doesn't mean items or that the shadows or the colors, shades are not buildable. That is always my true question is, okay, so it doesn't come out of the palette really all that crazily pigmented, but if it builds up immediately, great. That's what you want. All right, so this is really pretty. I just took the little shrink seal off. This is a Chinese made palette. And of course, it's got the beauty crop, cruelty-free on the beauty crop. And this one is made in Italy. So that is really cool. Nope, sorry, formulated in Italy, made in China. Apologies, got that screwed up. All right, let's bust out this palette and see what it looks like. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. It's cute. Musée Beauté, and it's M-U-S-E-E Beauty. There is, of course, a mirror, which I will cover. And now can I get the shade saver out? All right, I'm always afraid I'm going to... Okay, come on. Gonna pull that shade saver out. It's pretty, you guys. It's pretty. I'm covering the mirror. That's really pretty. Honestly, great selection of colors. So really pretty. I like that a lot. I think that's really, that's a great blend of colors. And I think you do see a lot of palettes that look like this. Now, I'm just looking because on first glimpse, it looks like one of the shades is swatched. But honestly, I think it's just from pressing the pans. I think it's an optical illusion. I was a little nervous there, but it's the bottom one, Royal. Just trying not to drop it. Whew. Honestly, so this lower cornered one looked a little bit like there was a fingerprint, but honestly, it looks so uniform. I think it's just how the press, it went pressed into the pan. So these are really pretty. I'm not sure I will keep this. I'm going to think about it. I don't want to swatch it. I'm sorry, you guys. I have a lot of these shades. So, and I've not been great about using the loads of palettes I currently have. So I'm going to hang on to that and think about it. And it might go into y'all's giveaway collection for a future giveaway. So that is really nice. The price on that again is $45. It's kind of steep, honestly, for you know, a Chinese made palette, but a lot of shades. You know, there's 16 shades in there. It's decent sized pans. I think this is a really nice, attractive MSRP. $15 on this, and there's 8 shades in that. I think that's very reasonable. I think you could expect to find something like that in the store. I think it's quite reasonable. I'm super excited about these. So let's go ahead and see if they smudge, okay? So, ooh, so far so good. All right, I literally was rubbing both of them, 3 of them, nothing. I did accidentally get my fingers into the highlighter, but no, these dry down and are not moving around. So I'm super thrilled about that. I can't wait to play with these colors. Today I wore some pinks and some purples and some multi-chromes, and like I will tell you that the purple one will get used quickly. The other two, maybe. I would say that the black one is a little disappointing, but it did build. You know, it's a matte shade. It just is, it's not that like really opaque black I am used to with some of the other black ones I've been using. But it's a nice one. Honestly, I'd probably put it in my purse or take it to work to have it for emergency touch-ups and things would be fine. So really happy about that. And then the lippy I think is really nice. I don't mind watermelon. I'm not allergic, so I know some of you are. I like watermelon smells, and I like mint. It smells really nice. So it is a gloss. It's definitely not a lipstick. You can see the remnants. I did wipe that off. It stayed like gooey. It's a gloss. So understandably disappointing if you hate glosses. I'm wearing a gloss right now. It doesn't bother me at all. So you guys, this was, where is it? $11. And the 3 eyeliners, all 3 were together $33 or $11 each. I think that's a great MSRP value in this box. It's $25 shipped to you. You guys, I'm happy. I'm never unhappy with Ice Cream Beauty. So far so good for 2023. Let me know your thoughts down below, you guys. Like I said, I'm reserving on whether or not I'm going to keep these. I think I won't. We'll see. I think you know, a friend just talked about maybe doing something with these on a like collaboration. I'm not really sure. We'll see. If I don't use them in a collaboration, I think those will probably end up in my giveaway collection. So, all right, you guys, I got a number of stuff in the mail today. You're going to probably see me looking like this in a couple videos because I'm going to try to shoot a couple videos. So don't be surprised. All right, y'all, I appreciate your time. Let me know what you guys think of all these items. And what was your favorite? Because I think there was some good stuff in here. I would love to know, like, what was your favorite? What would be your item or items that you would be most excited to get out of this box? Honestly, I think right now I'm pretty pumped about these. At least the 2 colored ones. I think they're going to be pretty fun. I love the idea of the lippy. Yeah, and I mean, honestly, the palettes are not at all disappointing, so I can't really choose. Okay, all right, guys. I appreciate your time. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.